What if the next leap in AI isn't about raw scale, but about precision, control, and collaborative intelligence? OpenAI's GPT-5 isn't just bigger. It's fundamentally re-engineered to think deeper, reason more reliably, and work with humans, not just for them. Let's be clear, GPT-5 isn't public yet. But credible leaks, insider reports, and OpenAI's research trajectory point to a model that transcends its predecessors in three critical dimensions: reasoning fidelity, multimodal coherence, and tool integration fluency. First, reasoning. GPT-4 could chain thoughts, but often derailed on complex, multi-step problems. GPT-5 reportedly integrates a hybrid architecture, a dense transformer backbone for broad knowledge, paired with a sparse, modular reasoning engine that activates only when needed, like a turbocharger for logic. Early benchmarks show it solving Olympiad-level math and competitive programming problems with 78% accuracy, up from GPT-4's 42%, not by brute force, but by simulating self-correction, drafting a solution, stress-testing assumptions, and revising before output. Crucially, it shows its work, letting users inspect and guide the chain of thought. No more black box certainty masking shaky logic. Second, multimodal intelligence. GPT-4v could describe images. GPT-5 understands context across modes. Feed it a research paper PDF, a graph, and a 30-second lab video, and it doesn't just summarize. It cross-references. Figure 3 shows a 22% drop in efficacy after week 4, consistent with the apoptosis spike in the video at 0:18, but contradicts the author's claim of sustained response. It handles temporal reasoning in video, tracking object relationships over time, and interprets diagrams, schematics, and handwritten notes with near-human nuance. For developers, it can generate, debug, and optimize code while referencing UI mockups or error logs, blurring the line between analyst, engineer, and designer. Third, tool use and agency. GPT-5 doesn't just call APIs, it orchestrates workflows. Give it a goal, plan and draft a clinical trial for this novel GLP-1 agonist, and it doesn't spit a monologue. It breaks the task down. 1. Queries PubMed for similar trials 2. Pulls FDA guidance docs via secure plugin 3. Drafts inclusion/exclusion criteria 4. Simulates power analysis using statistical tools 5. Flags ethical risks, all while maintaining a persistent memory of your preferences. You prefer consort-style reporting, applying template. This isn't automation. It's augmented cognition, where the AI manages complexity so humans can focus on judgment, ethics, and creativity. Critically, OpenAI is prioritizing steerability. GPT-5 introduces constitutional AI 2.0. Instead of just avoiding harmful outputs, it reasons about harm. Ask it to draft a persuasive ad, and it won't just comply. It'll offer versions with escalating ethical trade-offs. Version A maximizes clicks but omits side effects. Version B is balanced but less viral, which aligns with your values. Developers get fine-grained control, dial precision versus creativity, set citation rigor, even define custom guardrails for domain-specific risks. And yes, efficiency. Despite its power, GPT-5 runs inference 2.3 times faster than GPT-4 Turbo on the same hardware, thanks to quantization-aware training and dynamic token pruning. That means lower latency, lower cost, and wider deployment, from cloud to edge devices. But the most profound shift? Collaboration design. GPT-5 treats the user not as a prompter, but as a co-pilot. It asks clarifying questions when goals are ambiguous. It flags uncertainty. I'm 68% confident in this interpretation. Want to review the source section? It remembers past collaborations, building a shared mental model over time. This isn't about replacing experts. It's about giving them a thinking partner that never tires, never forgets, and always seeks to understand why, not just what. GPT-5 won't be perfect. No model is. But if these reports hold, it marks a pivot from AI that impresses to AI that empowers, reliably, transparently, and responsibly. The future of AI isn't autonomy. It's alliance. If this deep dive helped you cut through the hype and see what actually matters in next-gen LLMs, please subscribe, like, and share with a builder, researcher, or leader who values substance over spectacle. Tap the bell icon so you never miss our latest videos on innovation, AI, and the real-world tools shaping tomorrow, today.